This is Locksmith Silva here, and I have a Brinks 55 millimeters padlock, bought in steel shackle. Means a nice little 4-pin key. It shows low high pin key. It's a 9,700 pounds, cut resistant, waterproof or water resistant, 5,200 pounds of pry bar resistant, and 4-pin pick resistant. But let's see if it's true. As you can see, opens nice and sweet. It has like a little crunch on it, but we're gonna try to get it picked. Okay, here we go. I got my pry bar. As you can see, it's closed. I got my high reach pick. I'm gonna go start all the way at the end. Sometimes you have to release. You have to relieve the tension, and just release your thumb off the tension wrench, because it feels like you can't set that first and second pin. But I try not to give it a lot of tension. Got it open. Brinks padlock, even 4 or 5 pin, high low, whatever it is not safe. Be safe and do not steal.